YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Christine and it's good to have you here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and if you have, I thank you so much. So without any further wastage of time, let's get right into the video. So for a very long time, I've been wondering what co-washing is, and I did my assignment and did my research, and here it is. And now I understand what co-washing is, and I know most of you do not know, or maybe you know, but there's someone somewhere who doesn't know. So I'll keep on relating on when I started being natural. I was a true amateur. I didn't know anything about, I just didn't know anything. I just thought like maybe when you shampoo your hair, that's all, as long as it's clean and you're just good to go. So in today's topic, we're going to talk about co-washing and understand what co-washing is. So in layman's language, co-washing is washing your hair using a conditioner, be it a cleansing conditioner, any type of conditioner. So co-wash, it has a good advantage on your hair, yet but it doesn't do Jesus, it doesn't do the cleansing thoroughly as a shampoo does. So I would recommend that when you're using a co-wash, you use it maybe, oh, let's say for example, I washed my hair with a shampoo after unraveling my protective style. Then maybe I styled it using a lot of products. Let me use an example of a gel. Then you just need to cleanse it again. You don't have to use a shampoo, because shampoos have harsh cleaning chemicals that can really damage your scalp if you use it each and every time. So I would recommend you use a co-wash, because it helps in at least getting out that little dirt or hair product. So using a conditioner is very efficient. A co-wash is very efficient because it moisturizes your hair, it tangles your hair, and if you have curls, it really defines them. I'm not really saying it from just the research I did, but I once did it, and I just wanted to know what would feel if I could wash my hair, and it really felt nice. It really felt like it was soft than just using a shampoo and using the other products, and it is really efficient, trust me. So using a shampoo is very efficient also, but when you feel that your hair is dirty. Co-washing also helps in retaining, you remember in a video, I link it up here, and I remember I say that shampoos, most of the shampoos strip off your hair from their natural oils. Yeah, so when you're co-washing, the co-washing the ingredients that are in the co-wash do not have the ability to strip off the natural oils of your scalp and your hair, so your hair still remains healthy. When choosing a conditioner, it depends with the type of hair that you have. Remember when I told you that you should know the type of hair you have? When you know the type of hair that you have, it will help you simplify on how you're going to use your products, and you will really know how which products work for you and which products enrich your hair and which products do not work for you also. So when choosing a co-wash, choose a co-wash depending on the type of hair that you have. If you have thick hair, you should you may use shampoos with, okay, I'm referring from my book. It's, yeah, choose a shampoo with silicones, because it helps in making your hair a little bit softer, and your hair won't be tangly. Yeah, it will be easy for you to detangle. If you have thin hair, then I would recommend that you use cleansing conditioners, because your hair is thin and you don't have to, as in, when it's thin, it simply means that it doesn't tangle that fast as those who have thick hair. So yeah, that's it. That's what I can say about choosing the right core wash. Yeah. The benefits of using a car wash: the car wash will enable you to have to increase the amount of moisture that you have in your hair, because most of the co-washes have moisture in, they have moisturizing agents in them, and then they'll create another layer of moisture apart from the moisture that your hair has. So each and every time you feel the texture of your hair, it will feel like it's just, it's thriving for life, you know. Yeah, so it moisturizes. It also decreases the chances of having dandruffs from your hair, because you know when you're using shampoos, it is really harsh on your scalp, but co-washes are not that much harsh. It also enables you to have an easy time when tangling your hair, because it makes it elastic and softer. Yeah, so I think that's it for co-wash. Maybe, not maybe, I will do a practical one when I unravel my hair. Yeah, so I just hope you got something from it, and at least now you know when to use a car wash and when to use a shampoo. So much for watching this whole video. It has been a great pleasure having you, and yeah, so please make sure you like, comment and share, and please let me know what you think about this content, and maybe anything else you would want to ask me about hair. Please feel free to leave it on the comment section below, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you think it's educative and maybe it's informative, and if it's giving you any added information to you. So yeah, without any further rambling, because I can ramble for the next 1 second or 1 minute, let me just wrap this up and just wish you a lovely week, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.